Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color SpongeBob SquarePants and his friends. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. SpongeBob SquarePants. Amazing! SpongeBob is an enthusiastic and cheerful sea sponge who loves his job at the Krusty Krab. PatrickStar. Patrick is SpongeBob's best friend, a pink starfish who often comes up with ridiculous ideas. Amazing! Squidward. Squidward is SpongeBob's grumpy and artistic neighbor who works as a cashier at the Krusty Krab. I love my pen. Plankton. Plankton is the tiny, evil genius who constantly tries to steal the Krabby Patty's secret formula. I love my pen. Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is the money-obsessed owner of the Krusty Krab and SpongeBob's boss. Amazing! Sandy cheeks. Sandy is a smart and adventurous squirrel from Texas who lives in a tree dome in Bikini Bottom. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. SpongeBob SquarePants. He lives in a pineapple under the sea and enjoys jellyfishing with his best friend Patrick. Amazing! I love my pen. PatrickStar. Despite his lack of intelligence, he is loyal and caring towards SpongeBob. Squidward. He often gets annoyed by SpongeBob and Patrick's antics, but secretly craves recognition for his musical talents. Amazing. Plankton. He runs the unsuccessful Chum Bucket restaurant across the street from the Krusty Krab. I love my pen. Mr. Krabs. He values profit above all else but has a soft spot for his daughter, Pearl. Amazing. Sandy Cheeks. She is a close friend of SpongeBob and enjoys practicing karate and scientific experiments. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. Purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.